today's video, we're going to be doing a what I eat in a day video. Literally, you guys, I had a baby about 10 months ago. I lost probably over 35 pounds. So I'm going to show you what I ate to lose the 35 pounds.
Life is what you make it. My shit been amazing. I can't see a way out. I've been stacking face down off canvases I painted. I just spent the rain day on shit I can't afford.
If you are new to my channel, hey, what's up? Welcome to your girl's channel. My name is Chrissy M. I do all things makeup and fashion with some vlogs. If you're feeling by the time you get to the end of that video, hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell so you are notified when I do upload videos. Let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so I normally work out at least every day. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. If I skip a day, then I make sure to go hard the next day. But I have gotten into doing juicing. So juicing has been my life, you guys. I figured out how to work this juicer and it has been a lifesaver for me. I love to eat really clean foods. So juicing is like, it's life. Excuse the way that I look. I just got done working out. But I like to incorporate, you know, a lot of like my favorite fruits and veggies into my juice. So I love doing cucumbers. It's like one of my favorite things to do. Cucumbers are so yummy for me. In a juice. I like to use turmeric. I also go with ginger. I do a lemon. I do carrots, and then I do apples. Now apples, you can do green apples. I like Honeycrisp apples or Pink Lady, so I normally tend to go with those.
Lay down at night, I miss you by my side, telling me about your secrets. I dream.
This is so good. I love to juice. I have really gotten into really appreciating fruits and vegetables in a juice. So now we're gonna go ahead and make my lunch. I am way behind on schedule, literally with lunch, because it is 3 in the afternoon. I normally have my lunch around maybe noon. I try to do like a little bit of intermittent fasting, so I just don't eat breakfast right away. So if I get up early enough to do my workout, I normally just have like 2 pieces of turkey bacon and then 2 eggs, and that is it, and that is all. And then later on, maybe like around 2 or 3, I normally have my lunch. So now that it's lunchtime, well, a little bit past lunchtime, we're actually gonna make lunch, and I am going to do, what pumpkin? I'm going to do some spinach sauteed in a pan. Okay, so this is the brown rice that I use. And then we're just gonna have like a piece of salmon.
Oh, how to love you now. No matter what I do, I can't let go. I don't know how to forget you. I can't forget you. You're always on my mind. I do the things that I should do, so I can't forget, but you're always on my mind. Thought you'd be gone by tomorrow, but you're still there tomorrow and the next day.
And this is my salmon, so I just put dill, I put some Creole seasoning, I put a little bit of this pink Himalayan salt on there, and yeah, a little bit of pepper, and I'm sauteing it in some extra virgin olive oil with a little butter. The butter will just give it a little bit more flavor, honestly. And then this is my little spinach that I have here. So I'm pretty much gonna make like a garlic butter sauce for this. So I'm just gonna let it sit here and saute until it gets a little bit more tender. And then we're gonna pull it off, and I'm going to pair it up with this brown rice. And I'm only gonna use half of the brown rice today. We are now going to focus on dinner. I just got back from running a few errands, and I decided that I'm just gonna make me a salad for the evening. So I'm going to be using some butter lettuce I purchased from Target. I normally get spinach, but unfortunately the spinach like expiration dates were like not up to par. Like they were going to be expiring in the next couple days, and I just cannot be eating that. So we're going to do some butter lettuce, which I like this. We're going to do a little bit of cheese. I'm not really a cheese person, but just like a little sprinkle in there to kind of give it some flavor. I'm going to do some pecan chips. I love raisins in my salad, like, oh my gosh. We're gonna do a little bit of raisins, not too much. I got some sugar in there. And then I'm gonna do some Southwest tortilla strips, and also I'm gonna do some grilled chicken pieces inside. So let's go ahead and prep this together. love salads. I would have rather had spinach, but this is really good. And I put grilled chicken in the last part of it. And I guess it's grilled chicken that's like already like cooked in a sense, but it's like more healthier, like free of antibiotics, gluten-free. Oh my god, no. Okay, so I also added grilled chicken at the end of the if you see me putting those little pieces in, it's just grilled chicken that I placed in there. But this is absolutely amazing and so good. And honestly, this is probably all I'm going to eat for the rest of the night. I'm going to drink my water. Woo! And then that's pretty much it. So if you enjoyed this video and you want some more videos like this, make sure you go right now, hit the subscribe button, and that post notification bell so you are notified when I do upload new videos. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, loves.
Life is what you make it. Life shit been amazing.